I'm going to talk about the train system in Unity. So at first let's see the project. So here in my website in Unity Engine Assets you can find the projects here. So here if you scroll down you can find the train controller system, or you can search here train controller, and just you have to download the project. Just you have to uh, click twice, and after that you can get a download link from here. So after completing the download you can see a project like that, train controller package. And so this is the project I'm going to talk about in this video. So at first open your Unity Hub, and in this Unity Hub you have to create a new project. Just give a name. So I already created a new project, just like this is my project, my normal project. Just I created it, and after opening the project you can see something like that. So in this project uh, let's start from the beginning. So in this project you can see a simple scene. Open the scene, and then after that just go to 3D object and then create a turret. So this turret is used to make the railway track, and this is going to be our ground field. And after that we need the project. For project, here we already downloaded the train controller, so you have to drag it here. Just drag it here. Here you can drag it here, or you can open from the file on the top below here. So it is started working. So here you can find the import option. So it is here you can see the files that is need to import it. So just click next and then click import. So my import is completed. So after completing import you can see a WSM Game Studio like that, or a project like that. So this is going to be our project that help out to make a train controller. So for making a train controller, here I'm going to, at first I have to click in the hierarchy, and then right button, right mouse button, and here you can find the WSM Game Studio. So in this studio you first have to click a railway builder, spline based. Just I have to create it. This is just a normal train uh, builder. Just look at this is the track. So I need to build it and the build the track one by one. For that I'm just doing the setup. So after that, if you click the shift button here, if I click the shift button, you can see a line that is the track. So by this you can create a new track one by one. Just you have to click the uh, shift button and just click the mouse right button. That is how it works. A powerful package that can easily create a railway station, and with physics and other stuff like that, the controller and everything. Just you have to create a project like you have to create a rail track like that. So I'm creating just a simple uh, rail track, and just here I'm finishing it here. After that, here you can see a closed loop. Just tick it, and you can see the loop is closed. So here I have the track, and after that you have to click the cube option here. Whenever you click the cube option, it will take a moment, and then you can see the track is loaded here. So this is the train track. After that you can see here I have three if you zoom out it, I have three railway builder here. Now I need to set up the train. for that, just you have to click again in the right mouse button and then WSM Game Studio. Here you have to select the route manager. Here the route manager. After that, here you can see the new route. Just you have to click the new route in the route setting and then click the edit. In this edit you can see option like drag and drop. You have to drag and drop all three files one by one. Just you have to click edit, and then this is the first one, and then this is the second one, and then this is the third one. So three railway builder is set up one by one, and then click the save button. So my route manager is completed to set up. Then after that you have to create another option like WSM Studio, and then here you have to select train spawner to spawn the train. So you can see the train spawner option here. It means the train will spawn from here. The train will spawn from here, and then you have to click the train spawner, and you can see here some option. You have to click spawn train profile. Just select the spline based and then click spawn. After whenever you click spawn, you can see a train is spawned here automatically. It means your project is completed to set up. Now if I click the play button, if I click the play button, the train is started moving. Here the train, it is automatically started moving, and it will move from all the track one by one automatically. And I have a third controller here, easy third controller, the character third person controller. So I downloaded this third person controller from the asset store. You can go to my project, and in this project you can see the easy third controller. I'm using this controller to view the map. So for that, at first go to the easy third controller, third player controller. In this player controller, go to prefabs, and in this prefabs you can see two prefabs. One is third person controller, just drag it here, and another is camera controller, just you have to drag it here also. So here the controller, and if I click play, so my game started. Just I have to go to my location to see the train. Try to find the train. The train is like something like that. So this is how the train works automatically in your uh, Unity, and this is a powerful project. So I hope you like the video. and you can find all the assets and everything in my uh, website project, and you can find the project in my website. Here the website, and the website link will be in the description. So you have to just go to the home and then Unity Engine. After that, here you can find all the projects that you need, and they are 100% free. Here all the projects,